So I recently came across Bucephalus XII by Armaf, which is from their niche line. Now this is an amazing alternative of one very high-end perfume. First of all, I was shocked by the kind of presentation this perfume has for this price point. It has this amazingly beautiful dome that gives this ceramic effect, and you have the bottle once you open it. Just look at it. So the certificate of authenticity, and then there is the bottle which looks like this. So for those who are curious, this perfume is extremely similar to Bleu de Chanel. That means it is clean, crisp, safe, and extremely amazing perfume for office wear, just like this. With the notes of lemon, mint, patchouli, spices, and vetiver, this is an amazing alternative to an extremely high-end perfume. And of course, just look at the presentation. The cap is entirely metal. So give this a try. Link is in bio.